This is a brand new 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a remote start feature, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, XM satellite radio, chrome wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a security system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, dual cargo area lights, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.